Hola loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So my name is Gabby, for those of you who don't know, and for today's video I'm going to be recreating a Jacklyn Hill look. So when this palette first came out, she created a look to go with this palette, and that's what I will be recreating today. So if you guys want to see what I created, keep on watching. So Jaclyn starts off with this color right here, and she takes it on a fluffy brush and she puts it as a transition color in this area right here. She mainly focuses it in the corner, but she also goes more towards the front of the eye. Make sure you keep it lower to the lid than to the brow. She then takes this color right here and she puts that right under this crease color. She then takes this color right here and puts it over everything. She then takes this color right here, which is right under the last color, and puts it right on the crease as well. She then grabs this shade right here and goes over that upper crease area just to make it more fiery. She then takes this color at the end and uses it just to make sure there are no harsh lines, right? So right above this area. She then takes this color right here. And she does spray that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and spray that. And put that right on the lid. She then takes this color right here, as well as this one next to it, and pops that in the center of her eyelid. So that's all I'm gonna do for the eye at the moment. I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye off camera and the rest of my face, and then we're gonna come back to the eye and do the lower lash line, and then maybe add a little bit to the top. So I finished this eye. I'm actually, once I do my face, I'm gonna clean this up with concealer, so you guys will see that cleaned up. But I just wanted to let you guys know. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face, and I'll be right back. Yes. I just restarted it. Thank you. Bye. Close the door. I love you too. Bye. So now that the face is done and I did the other eye, I'm going to be working on the lower lash line and then maybe going back to the top. So she takes this color right here on a pencil brush and works that in the lower lash line. And connects it to that top bit of eyeshadow. She then grabs this color down here and puts that directly on her lower lash line. She then grabs these two shades on a pencil brush to add more smokiness to the bottom. Go back into those same colors and just intensify the outer corner on both sides. She also grabs this color right here in the top corner as a brow highlight. And she also grabs a bit of that and a bit of the second color and ends that to the inner corner for highlight. So now that the eyes are done, I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some lashes, some mascara as well, and some eyeliner. And I'll be right back. Okay, lashes on, mascara on. This is the final look. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Adios!